Home with me, Chef Phil Fox from Popcornopolis. Now, the month of May is National Foster Care Awareness Month, and here at Popcornopolis, we've partnered with a great agency in Los Angeles called Allies for Every Child, and their official logo is blue, so that's their official color. So we're gonna show you a few different fun, easy recipes that are blue, and the first is a blue kettle corn. So let me show you. First, you gotta get one of these slick poppers. These are awesome, super cheap. Find one on Amazon. So first step is some coconut oil. And then we're gonna add our mushroom kernels. Do a little swirly. And then we're gonna add our sugar. And then we're gonna close the top. And we're gonna stir. Should take about, we'll crank the heat up to high. Should take about like 2 minutes. So just keep cranking. Be patient. The most important detail that I missed is the blue food coloring. So I'm gonna put like, let's say 10, 12 drops. Something like that. There we go. Close the lid, stir. All right, so we've got blue kettle corn all popped up. Super easy. Definitely something you could do with the kids. So I'm just gonna dump her out. Get all of it. And then we're just gonna dust it with a little bit of fine sea salt. Just give it a toss. When it's warm, it's still a little bit clumpy. So once it cools a little bit, it'll get a little bit more brittle and break up. So a little bit more sea salt. That's it. Okay, so we're gonna make a couple more fun and easy recipes. Kind of activities, definitely something you can do with kids at home. And speaking of kids, we all know the importance of a great childhood. And that is exactly what Allies for Every Child does every day, is making sure that every kid in LA County has the opportunity to have a great childhood. So thank you for all that you do. These blue recipes are for you. So we have our blue kettle corn here. Very beautiful, colorful. So we're gonna do a little drizzling, a little fun here. We have some, so I took some blue spirulina extract, which is a natural blue color, and I tinted some white chocolate, and I also have some regular white chocolate. I have some little nonpareils, some blue ones, and then some blue jimmies. So we'll just have a little fun. So this is our original recipe, caramel corn, here on the left, my left, your right. And then we have this beautiful blue caramel corn as well. Part of a future product at Sam's Club called AmeriCorn, which is a trio of red, white, and blue. Very cute. And then maybe a little of this white we're gonna do. And maybe you hear my dogs prancing on the floor, eagerly awaiting some of this. So we'll just take our sprinkles here. Just make it rain. Beautiful. Some cute, easy, fun, blue recipes for Allies for Every Child. Thank you so much for all that you do, and thank you for joining me in the kitchen. Bye.